This video will now tell you how to do or how to calculate drop sets clearer. I'm going to demonstrate it with my bar here. Alright, so we have this bar over here, and I'm now going to get completely quickly into it. So we have, very simple, we have a 10 kilogram plate on each side, one 2.5 kilogram plate, and two 2 kilograms on each side. So that means 10, 12.5, 14.5, 16.5. That means on the other side, it's also like 33 kilograms plus the barbell. Now, how do we drop set? In many ways as much as possible. So first of all, you take this max weight, or whatever type of max weight you have, and then you try to curl it. If I want to train biceps, for example. And even if you could curl it once, that is still quite good because you made progress to pushing your muscles closer to failure. Now, how do we drop set? Well, simple. One quick in mind, we have two 1.25 kilogram plates here. Each one is 1.25 kilograms. And this is how it drops. So when we can curl this once or twice, however many times we can do it, we then take this 2 curl plate off, place it on the side, and then we add a 1.25 plate over here. If we now do the same math and do it on the other side as well, you technically drop the weight to 1.5 kilograms lighter. And here's the interesting thing, even when the weight is 1.5 kilograms lighter, you will still be able to curl it, even though you kind of can't do max weight. Which is, even though this thing is like close to max weight, and you can't do like max weight once more because muscles are now way too fatigued for that. So very simple. This is how you calculate it. Now, how do we progress from there? Very simple. We now take this plate away, and now here's some kind of quick math calculation we need to do. I hope you can follow along here with me. Remember before, this plate and these, this and this are the same, and we had these before as max. So what we now need to do is take both of these off, or take this one off. Gotta place them carefully, the ground is not dense. And now we add 2 of these, so 1 and 2. Because now, instead of 2 kilogram plates, which equals to 4 kilograms in total, we now have 2 1.25 kilograms, which only equals to 2.5 kilograms. Now, that's technically another 1.5 kilogram weight drop from before, and you'll still be able to curl that as well. Now, from there on, we progress a little more, and we now take these off and replace this one back. Why? Because these two in total make 2.5 kilograms. This one only is 2 kilograms. So we add it back in. The weight is now dropped to 1 kilogram total, and you'll still be able to curl that as well. If the weight is just slightly lighter, not by much, slightly lighter, you'll be able to lift it, no problem. Now, from that point on, it's now very simple. You take the 2 kilogram plate away, and now you add this one back on there, but only one on each side. Now, it's kind of dropped to 1.5 kilograms again, in total, from the last drop set, and you are still able to curl this one. Do you realize how many drop sets we did there? We probably made I don't know how much. No, I didn't count, but quite a lot. That's probably more than what I recommend you to do, or what I told you to do. Now it's getting late. We take these completely off, and leave just these two on there. Just these two. We don't add more to it, and we curl that one. The weight has dropped to more, 2.5 kilograms, but we can lift it therefore more. We can lift it easily, or like easier than before. And when we lift it so much until we can't anymore, we kind of hit the muscle to failure. Now here's the interesting part. Since this one is whatever, this is like 2.5 kilograms, this one, 2.5, so we add a 2 back, because this one is 0.5 kilograms lighter, and if we do it on the other side, in total it's like 1 kilogram lighter, and we're able to lift that as well. We're able to curl it, we're able to lift it, and we're still able to push our muscles even more closer to failure. Now, after we've done that, we take this one off, and then we add this one, like the smallest plate, back on it again. We curl this one as much as we could. We try to do our best, and once we've done that, very simple, we take this one off, and now we just curl that. One plate, and that's it. This should be enough to push our muscles close to failure enough so that we can actually change, so we can actually destroy the muscle so much that we have grown it. And here's the simple thing I want to know. Even when you drop the weight by 1 kilogram or add 1 kilogram more to a random bench, it actually makes a much bigger difference than you actually realize. And this is so true because muscles on their peak, how do I explain it? If the weight only drops by like small amounts, it can last longer and therefore lift the weight longer. And if you do that as many times as possible, you will reach the muscle's failure system and you will be able to grow it back stronger. I hope I made myself here clear. I hope you can like kind of follow along what I'm trying to say. If you do want to do like a bunch of drop sets and you want to do them like you want to grow, do this. Drop them like to 1 to 2 kilograms each and make them like as much as possible. Not to the point that it's too light, but to the point where you must just kind of still get defeated afterwards. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.